Hello everyone, this is Alex V here, Mercedes car guy, and today we got another video for you with hopefully a bit more value and information. This is also a reply video to Dan. Thank you for watching my channel, and I'm gonna be answering two of Dan's questions. One was, that sounded nice. One is the angle for the rear wishbone trailing arms, and I'm gonna try to measure that, and for that purpose I'll be using my iPhone, so I'm just going to be placing it and take a screenshot, incorporate that into the video, and hopefully that's going to be good enough for you, Dan. And also measuring the bolts, because apparently Dan is saying that his are very rusty and in a deplorable state, so he doesn't actually know what's the exact measurement they should be, and so on. There's two sets of bolts done, and I'm going to be showing you in the next frame. Let me just change the camera. So that's what I was saying, Dan, and everyone else. There's two sets of bolts, and you've got this bolt here, which is obviously trailing arm going there. It's got a bush inside, and it's got a bolt in here. Okay, so I'll be measuring that one. Mine, they're not too bad. The rubber bush is there with, and there's another one there. Okay, so I'll be zooming a bit onto that. Okay, so you got that one as well there. So that's two bolts. They are different sizes. Okay, and also today we have a little bit of a repair. So I missed a bit when I've done all the welding here onto the rear arches. All this has been done as well, and now it's solid, and apparently it needs a bit more rubber protection, so I'll be doing that. And obviously we will be changing this strut. I've already removed that bolt over there, so now it's kind of loose there, but I've still got the one there which will need some WD-40 because it's a bit stuck. Once that is gone and the new strut, there's a bit of welding here. Let's see an angle, show you. There's a bit of welding that needs doing, kind of like here. It's nothing major, just a little bit, and then replace the strut. Once we replace the strut and done the welding, we will refurbish this portion of this bad boy. Obviously we want to keep clean this, as I mentioned in previous videos, and clean this area as much as we can, grease it up and leave it unpainted, because that's where the wheel will sit. And that's about it on today's episode. Stay with us and keep on subscribing to our channel. Click on that notification button so you don't miss the next ones, and thank you very much. So what we've done so far, I've took the strut off, so yeah, that's off now. And well, I must say, no wonder that the poor van failed the MOT. Probably in all its lifetime no one bothered to change them. Yeah, it's a common thing, you know. vans are normally a work horse and people don't pay too much attention unless it's more like your pride and joy. Then this is the result, and you got the new one next to it. Obviously, as you can see, this is completely, yeah, it's literally, yeah, I can tear it apart with my bare hands. So yeah, that wasn't safe. But before I'm gonna put that, as you can see, there's a sheet of metal there, 1.5 millimeter standard stainless, and I've done some cardboard template, and I've cut them with the shapes that I need, which is just for the purposes. So basically, as you can see, this one here, the other bit is gonna sit exactly the same, but underneath, inside. The same with this one, is gonna just, as you can see, it follows the curve and it goes in there. The floor of the van inside, it's a bit knackered, as you can probably see there. Yeah, so that is one thing. And then we've got a slightly bigger issue. The other day we put a stand over there, and oops, that created that issue. So in essence, this bit will just go over there and cover that bit up, and then reinforce it with another maybe 1 or 2, because that is by part of the chassis. So I assume it's about 2.5 millimeter thick. The strength is not because of the fitness. The strength is because of the shape of it. So the beam is a U shape that is spot welded. Over there it's got spot welds over the floor of the van, and here our little issue is this. So we're just gonna come with another one, and as I already said, this bit will just go on here like so. So you see, it matches like it was there, meant to be. Yep, wish me luck. And for the purposes of the video, because I've noticed that people normally they don't watch 15 minutes long videos on YouTube. They tend to watch 1.5 to 3 minutes, skip it and move forward and so on. So I'm not going to film all the welding and all that. I'm just going to show you the end result. I think that would make it a lot easier. If anyone wants to learn how to weld, well, I suggest you find welding videos, because, well, that's not what I'm trying to do here, obviously. So all you need to do is very simple. You place a bit of cardboard here or wherever your area is, you mark it with a pen, and then you cut that out of a sheet of metal. Once you've cut it, you put it in place. You obviously clean all this. This will have to be wired and clean. And once that is done, I'll take some pictures, I'll show you, and then I'll post all the end result. As I said, stick till the end and watch the end result. Hopefully it will be of good information value for you, and it will give you a glimpse of satisfaction. Thank you for watching. Hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. Hit like, comment on the comment section anything that you think or you'd like to see on the channel. Just remember, my channel is it's grown very slowly, So at the minute I think we're on 50 or 51 subscribers. Yeah, thank you for watching. See you on next one.